Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Super Meat Boy 3D game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button or controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check. The next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Here select console storage and then tap on delete option. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select the game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after that check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, update system software and finally select update using internet option. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall a Super Meat Boy 3D game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Super Meat Boy 3D game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better guide or suggest you to the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.